there's 3 ways to work with us. I can coach about like this on Zoom. That's for people that have a smaller budget and have more time to invest in their project. And maybe they're looking for some real habit and lifestyle changes in that. We can definitely work through those pieces. Then we have one-on-one services. And that's if someone is really looking to slowly, over time, go through maybe their memorabilia, maybe their closet, maybe different things, but they need a slower approach. So we can look at, okay, let's do a one-on-one. They come out for 3 to 4 hours and work together to go through this process of downsizing the items. And why 3 or 4 hours? Because decision fatigue is so real. And it can be overwhelming for any client to spend 8 hours making decisions on their things. It's just too much. It takes the fun out of it. And this should be a fun process.
Right.
And then what we do the most of is a team approach. So I'm listening for, is this person, maybe they just moved, they have 3 kids, they're trying to work full time. They just need somebody to come in, and they thought they unpacked, but they never really got the systems down and got everything put the way they wanted it, etc.
Sure.
So we can send a team in to either unpack and create those systems from the beginning, or we can send a team in to just fine tune, go through, maybe the kitchen was all put away, but it's just not working for some reason.
Right.
So that's what I'm listening for.